Hello there. So today I'm going to use this Angry Mama microwave cleaner, and I bought this from Temu. It was $2.09. So what you do is you unscrew the top here, take the face off, oops, and then it has a line here that says vinegar. And I've seen other ones that have a line here saying water, but mine doesn't say that. So I'm just going to eyeball it and fill the water up to about that. So you just use regular distilled vinegar, which I'm going to attempt to do here. Okay, so I'm going to put the water to about here. I'm putting the face back on. Oh, here's the front. I don't know if you all can see it. It has like little flowers. Looks like an apron. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it has like a little design there. Oh, here's her hair, and it has the steam vents for the water and vinegar mixture. So here is my microwave. I also bought this from Temu. It's like a plate cover, but sometimes I don't use it, and when I don't use it, this is what happens. So here's my microwave. All right, so I'm going to put the Angry Mama in. So I put the Angry Mama in the microwave, and I'm going to put the microwave on. I mean, it's really dirty, so I'm going to do it for about 8 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye out for it. Okay. Oh, here's the door. I don't know if it's going to be able to get this here. If it does, that'll be awesome. I would love to get that clean. But here's how it looks. So let me put in 8 minutes. Okay, it's almost finished. I definitely smell the vinegar, so I'm probably going to have to turn on my vent. So I'm going to let it sit for another minute, and then I'm going to take a sponge and wipe it out. Okay, so let's see what's going on in this microwave. All right, this is empty, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take out this turntable. I have this Sponge Daddy. I think this is what it's called. Sponge Daddy sponge here. And I'm going to use that to wipe the microwave out. Here's the ceiling. Let's get this. Let's get this here and see what happens. I decided a dishcloth would be easier. So let's see. See this area over here. Okay, it's wiping off. Okay, so here's the microwave after I cleaned it out. There are a couple little spots I still need to wipe off. But for the most part, it did a good job. It didn't get this clean up here. I'll have to figure out something else for that. There are a couple of little stains like right here where my finger's pointing. And it probably didn't come off because the turntable was there. So I do have this other sponge that I got from Temu. It was $1.48. It's kind of like a magic sponge. So it's been kind of helping with that. Okay, so it did get that little spot that was there. And there's a couple more. Let me see if I can get it. There's probably some on this side here. So let me do that. So I had to use a little elbow grease, but I mean, that's fine. It's better than using all those harsh chemicals. So I still need to clean the outside of the microwave, but let's take a look. Here it is after I used the Angry Mama microwave cleaner and the Magic Sponge cleaner from Temu. And I know you can get the Angry Mama microwave cleaner from Amazon, but I wanted to try Temu's version. So here it is up close and personal. There are a couple of little spots that it didn't get, and I probably just need to wipe it off a little bit better, but here it is. So overall, it did a pretty good job. I will definitely use it again. Thanks for watching.